How are we doing, folks? James Power here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 171 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport 5-door saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this black samphire metallic paint finish. Up front you have the BMW kidney grille with the black trim, the BMW LED headlights, the front parking sensors, and since this is an M Sport, you have the M Sport aerodynamic body kit equipped, which includes the suspension, the M Sport front and rear bumper, the M Sport skirts. Come around to the side, you have the BMW double spoked M Sport black alloys on run flat tyres. You have the M Sport badging. Come around to the side, you have the high gloss black shadow line trim surrounding the windows, the privacy glass in the rear, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the rear LED taillights, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view, the debadged trunk to give you that more classier, sportier feel. You also have the twin exhaust and the automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. This is an absolutely stunning looking car that will definitely turn some heads. Let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 520D. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital cockpit with real-time travel information, the multifunctional BMW M Sport paddle shift steering wheel with features such as cruise control with brake assist, a speed limiter. You can also control the media through the steering wheel and it will project onto your dashboard. You can accept or decline calls and use the voice control. You have the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen, or you can use the BMW iDrive system to quickly access some of the features on board, such as sat-nav navigation, enhanced Bluetooth, media, communications, connective drive, and many other extras. The interior comes in a jet black Dakota leather with a grey piping, surrounded by a aluminium rhombical pearl chrome trim alongside customizable ambient lighting. It's in M Sport Blue right now, but you can choose from a range of different colours. Fully electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You have the automatic transmission, the e-brake, the auto hold. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode, and an eco pro mode. You have the keyless push button start ignition, the heated seats, the enhanced Bluetooth, the BMW pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system, air conditioning, real-time traffic information, the and like I said, you have the 360-degree parking sensors. Now, folks, this was just a quick look around this absolutely stunning 171 BMW 520D M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.